In this video, I am going to show you how to connect Namecheap domain to Infinityfree Hosting. So let's see how we can do it. So to connect our Namecheap domain with Infinityfree web hosting, at first we need to log into our Infinityfree account as well as our Namecheap account. And now from the Infinityfree account dashboard, click on create account. And now from here we are going to select custom domain instead of subdomain. And here you will see the notice that we must need to change the name servers of our domain from Namecheap name servers to Infinityfree name servers. And now we are going to change the name servers of our Namecheap domain to Infinityfree web hosting name servers. So go to your Namecheap account and from the left menu just click on domain list. Now here you will see all the domains that we have purchased from Namecheap. Next to your domain name you will see this drop down button, just click on it and after that just click on manage. Now scroll down to name servers, so here it is, and as you can see that currently Namecheap web hosting DNS are selected, and now we are going to change this to Infinityfree hosting name servers. So we are going to click on this drop down and after that we are going to select custom DNS from here, and now we are going to go back to our Infinityfree account. We are going to copy first name server from here and paste it here. After that we are going to copy the second name server and paste it here. And now we are going to click on save button, and in this way our Namecheap name servers will be changed to Infinityfree hosting name servers. And now we will go back to our Infinityfree account, paste our domain name here and then click on check availability, and as you can see that it is showing that our domain is now available. And now here we need to enter the account password and after that click on create account. And now it is showing that your domain is not yet pointing to our name servers because it takes 2 to 3 hours for the name servers to update, and if it is showing this error then you can try out again after 1 hour or 2 hours. You can try this out after an hour or 2, and when you will click on create account, your Namecheap domain will be connected to Infinityfree web hosting. And after that you can use your Namecheap domain on Infinityfree web hosting and you can easily install WordPress or any other CMS. So this is how you can connect your Namecheap domain to Infinityfree web hosting. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to